Morning.
Morning.
We are at Carlsbad Caverns in New Mexico. We got up early to come and check it out with the kids, and we've been talking about the magical caverns with them and showing them pictures, so they're really excited to be here. And we brought all of our lights because we heard it's a little dark.
And a child carrier because there's no strollers.
Yeah, no strollers, so we have the freeloader for Brooke and the like backpack thingy for Ben. And you can't bring anything but water in with you, so we don't have any of their snacks or any of the things that keep them from not melting down, so we'll see how that goes.
Yep.
But we're excited to be here. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be in the 70s here today. So come on.
Let's go. So we're walking into the visitor center right now.
It's beautiful up here.
The drive up from that little sign down there is awesome.
Oh my goodness.
You go through Walnut Canyon, I think. We're gonna check out an overlook on the way out.
Yeah.
But very, very cool drive. We're walking into the visitor center now. The girls have been looking for the entrance the whole way up. But I guess we're gonna go find it in just a couple minutes here.
I had to carry Ben on my back. Otherwise this will take us 4 hours to walk through. He's kind of a slow dawdler. Say hi, Ben. Hi, baby. So we're gonna do that and see how it goes. He's, you know, just about 30 pounds, and so is Brooke. She's a little bit over 30 pounds, but Brian will have her on the freeloader, and we'll see how it goes. And Tara gotta walk on her own.
Yay! But I have to carry this back.
Yep, we're gonna go and get all the Junior Ranger stuff and get that set up. They have a 0 to 6-year-old that Brooke's excited to do, and Tara has the 7 to 12-year-old one to do to get her Ranger badge, and we're gonna get her Ranger vest here so she can have that to put the one she's collected there. This is really steep, but so cool to look at. We're walking down the natural entrance down into the caverns, and it's just this big open expanse. It's really cool.
Hey, here, let me see your book. Did you finish? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna check your work, okay? Ooh. What did you draw? What is that? You drew that? Mm-hmm. Nice, good job. Nice job. Is that you? Yeah? All right. Well, this looks really good to me. And so I'm going to go ahead and get your badge, okay? There's one last step. So this is the Junior Ranger badge, and we'll make it official. Is this your first one? Wow. All right. We'll even put the hat on and everything. So we'll do this and share what I learned with others. All right. Good job. Can I shake your hand? All right. Good job. And here's your Junior Ranger badge. Stalag as a G for ground, so they come up out of the ground, and stalactites, C, come down from the ceiling. It's a little trick we use so we can remember too, because sometimes we forget. You raise your right hand for me, repeat after me. I promise,
I promise,
as a Junior Ranger,
as a junior ranger,
to explore
to explore
my national parks,
the national park,
and I promise
and I promise
to share what I learned
to share what I learned
with others.
with others.
All right, congratulations. You are now a Carlsbad Caverns Junior Ranger.